Hello, welcome back to GSM Tips. Finally, we have something new on iOS 18, which started to become a bit boring. So now we can customize the icons on the screen just by pressing and holding the screen down until they start to shake. Then we have the edit button in the corner, customize. It comes up with few different options. So first of all, we got this button in a corner which goes darker or brighter. We can have larger icons, again brighter or darker. We have this option on the left, just light, and we can fiddle with the brightness. Then we have this option dark, and it goes like this, but we can also have it brighter. We have this automatic one, which is again in two ways. Then we have this tinted option, which we can have it again we can have larger. For each option we can have large or small icons, darker or brighter. Then for this last option we have this we have these bars here, so we can fiddle, we can change the colors for them, so you can fiddle around. There are many options you can go for. So I believe this is something interesting, because we kind of got bored of the old style, so at least we can play around a bit with our new phones. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.